Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, we're going to be revealing what I got in Ipsy this month. Obviously Ipsy is the last unboxing for my subscription unboxings. So I just want to go ahead and dive into it. For those of you guys know, if you've been a part of my channel already, you guys know I do giveaways. So obviously at the end of this, I will be telling you what I'll be doing in this month's giveaway. But I also want to say we are so close to 400 subscribers. So you guys know what that means. That means another international giveaway if I hit 400. So every 100 subscribers that I hit until I get to 1,000, we'll be doing an extra giveaway in that month for international subscribers. So the unboxing subscription giveaways is for US, and then the 100 tier subscribers on my channel are for international. So enough jabbering on or gibbering on, whatever you want to say. Let's just go ahead and jump into this video. But before we go ahead and do that, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below. See the rest of the video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so obviously we have our Ipsy mailer, which is right here. They've kind of gotten away from doing the whole like box thing, and kind of just doing a bag to make it a little bit more suitable and easier for delivery, things like that. So this is the little pamphlet for us. If you guys know Ipsy doesn't give you like all the information on the stuff that's inside of your bag, because obviously there's a little bit more customization. You actually get to choose 3 out of the 5 products, which is amazing compared to BOXY. I wish BOXY would do that as well, but they don't. But anyways, the theme for this month is obviously it is, what is it? It's like Women's Strong Awareness Month or something like that. Anyways, it's March 2020, Stronger Together, the future is female. So that is what the pamphlet looks like. It just tells you to save the date on some of the ultra personal parties that they'll be having when it comes to stuff, and then just talking about women empowerment and colors, which are right here. My power colors are red and blue. So red says energy, strength, leadership, how to wear it. And then blue is sensitive, calm, and peaceful. Those are my power colors. And then my favorite color is green, which means gentle, healing, and growth. So that is also on here on the card for us as well, if you can see that. Alright, so moving on, this is what the bag looks like. It has women of all different colors and hair colors on there on the bag. So obviously, like I told you, you guys would get to choose 3 products out of this, but the 2 products I did not choose. Starting off with the first one, again, I will add prices on to the screen because I don't know the prices until I have to go look them up. But anyways, we have an Ofra Blush, which I actually don't own any Ofra blushes. This is what it looks like, if you can see it. I think I might need to focus a little bit better. Okay. This is what the Ofra packaging looks like, and then for the blush, I don't know. Typically, I think they're around like $18, maybe not. But the packaging is really pretty. I just love it. It's like a matte white with the Ofra foil on front. And then it says this is in Blush Bellini, so that is what it looks like, a nice pink shade. Definitely excited to add this to my collection because I really don't own that many blushes. So there is that item. The other item I did not choose, which was chosen for me, is, I believe, let me look at this really quickly. Yeah, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow. So it is a liquid highlighter. Again, I don't know what the MSRP is on this, but it looks really pretty. I don't own many liquid highlighters, but I do like to use them, sorry, excuse me, underneath my foundation or on top of my foundation when I'm going for more of those dewy, glowier days. And since we are going in from spring to summer, this will definitely come in handy. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that for right now. Then the next item, which I'm really excited about because I really wanted another concealer. I have so many, but this is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. This is in the share Fair because I am more fair tone, and I do like more fair tone concealers just to like brighten up underneath my eye. So I've never tried this one. If you guys have tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below because I'm definitely interested to try this for sure. Then the next item we got is the Florence by Mills Glow Your Health Glow Yeah lip oil, sorry. So this is Florence. This is a makeup brand owned by Millie Bobby Brown from Stranger Things. The reason why I chose this item is because it's a lip oil, and I've been loving lip oils lately. They're better than a gloss. They're more nourishing for your lips. I really love the Morphe 2 one, so I was excited to try this one, but I think the MSRP on this one is a little bit more higher than the Morphe 2 one. But I'll let you know, obviously, on the screen. And then the last item that we got in this monthly subscription for Ipsy is this House Laboratories. Now, House Laboratories, obviously, it's owned by Lady Gaga. She came up with her own makeup brand, just like every other celebrity that's doing it. But this is a brow and lash sparkling topper. So, it's in the color Drama. And again, I think it's supposed to be like, yeah, there's glitter everywhere. So this is not my fancy, but I think one of you guys would probably love this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway for this month for my subscription boxes. I just need to put it back in here in the packaging so that it goes back in. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So that is everything that we got in this Ipsy subscription bag for this month. I was super excited for this one because 4 out of the 5 products that I was getting in this bag I was super excited about. Obviously this one is a little bit too different for me. It's kind of outside of my box, so I definitely want to go ahead and give it away to one of you in this month's subscription box. We're going to go over everything there's going to be in this month's giveaway, and then I'll leave all the details down below for you guys to enter into that. For this month's giveaway, we're going to be doing the House Laboratories Eyebrow Gel right there for you, the Dose of Colors Reflection eyeshadow, single eyeshadow. Then we have the Kypress BOXY Charm exclusive, which is worth $145. Has an eye serum and an eyeshadow palette, which is in here. The Beauty Diva London eye brush set, which I think there are 4 brushes in here, or 5, I forget. But you have this brush set. And then last but not least is the Soli mini heated brush tool. So that's what it looks like there on the packaging, as you can see. So these will be the 5 items that will be going into this month's giveaway for my unboxing subscription, whatever that giveaway. So again, all the details will be listed down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And again, keep subscribing if you guys love my content. I would love for you, if you stop by to see this video, I post videos 2 to 3 times a week, to check out some of my other content. And if you're interested in it, I would love if you guys would go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if you are international, because I would love to have you a part of my channel and also be able to give away stuff to you in the future. So I love you guys so, so much. So if you like videos like this, you know the gist. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you miss a video with me, your girl Senior D, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Also, if this video is going up in time, I still have another giveaway going on, so I will always list links to stuff down below if I have other extra giveaways going on during this month. So right now I have a collab video with my friend Shannon. Definitely want you guys to go ahead and check that out for a $20 e-gift card for US only. I apologize, but again, if you're international, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be a part of my future giveaways. Love you guys.